Hello everyone, this is Korando Sports CX7 4-wheel drive, part-time 4-wheel drive. And as you can see, this is white color exterior. There's no rusty on exterior, very clean. There is some paint issue over there, I think. Except that car is very clean. The engine also very working well. And this is 2012, manufactured and registered in Korea 2012. It's pretty good. It's fabric and leather seats. There's a rear cam. And the automatic wheel control screen, the airbag. It's pretty good, I think. So, if you're interested on this car, the CX7 Korando, then don't miss out this car. I'm gonna approve this car very reasonable and good price to you guys. Thank you for watching and see you next video. Thank you very much.